cute little elephant and apply HTV to its ears with some birth stats of a new baby that's joining our family. To do this project, I'm using Heat Transfer Source Heat Transfer Vinyl. This is a 12 by 12, and I will also be using some scraps from their scrap packs. To get started, I am going to try to put all my colors on one mat so I don't have to change the mat a bunch for this project. So I have everything lined up on my mat. Heat Transfer Vinyl goes shiny side down. Now I need to make sure my vinyl pieces match the locations using the grids on the mat, match what I put into Cricut Design Space. So when I hit cut, it cuts all of the colors on one pass of the mat. Now that we have our vinyl laid out on our mat, we're going to go into Cricut Design Space and start a new canvas. Upload our image, or insert our image. It's already been uploaded. Uploaded images. Add to canvas. Here's our image that we want to go onto our elephant ears. I'm going to ungroup. Double check the size, that makes sure it fits inside of my ear. This works perfectly. And we're going to double check to make sure the things that we want to stay together are attached already. That looks good. The only thing is the 0 and the 1 for the ounces are not. So we are going to attach those so those two items stay together. And being that we put all of our vinyl colors on one mat already, I am just going to highlight everything and change everything to pink because I want all of them to be cut on one mat. You can use the Cricut Snap Mat feature, but this is just as easy. I mentally noted which ones were white, pink, and mint, and then I go to Make It.
Hey, sorry to interrupt, but please subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit that bell. Thanks.
This is Heat Transfer Vinyl, so we mirror. And we know that the name is in white, the date is in white, the labels are in white, the place and the grid are the mint. This would be pink. The pink was on the top in the upper corner. There's our date. I sneak these numbers into the open gaps so that I use a little bit less vinyl. Then I just cut them out with the scissors. And we know the white started 6 down, 5 across. So we can just again, just saving a little bit of vinyl and time cutting. All right, and our mint was at 9 and 3. I set my dial to iron on +1. Seems to work the best for me for the Heat Transfer Source HTV vinyl. I double checked, make sure everything's mirrored. We're good to go there. And double check that our pink vinyl is at the 1 mark. The white vinyl is at the 6 and the 5. And the mint starts at 9 and 3. And now we have all of our colors, all 3 colors are going to be cut on one mat. So we don't have to switch out mats, and it saves us a little time. And then I hit continue. So we loaded our mat. All the vinyl went on the mat, shiny side down. Now with all the colors on one sheet, I only have to load it once instead of putting and switching the mat out 3 times. Cricut has a feature called Snap Mat. That does work, but if you overhang the vinyl like this does, I seem to not get it to work very well. So as you can see, we have our 3 colors all on one mat, one pass. We cut on iron on plus 1. And to make sure we cut, I use my Tweedy Lite before unloading the mat. And just make sure it looks like it cut. Good to go. Now we can unload our mat and weed our HTV. So everything cut on one pass of the mat.